What causes furnace pilot lights to go out? Furnace pilot lights usually go out because of a dirty pilot opening, a weak thermocouple, poor airflow, a gas supply problem, or a draft that blows out the flame. The pilot light is a small flame that helps your furnace safely ignite the main burner. If the pilot opening becomes clogged with dust, rust, or spider webs, the flame may become too small to heat the safety sensor properly. That sensor, called a thermocouple, tells the furnace that a flame is present, and it shuts off the gas if the flame disappears. A worn or bent thermocouple can give a false signal and stop the pilot from staying lit. A strong draft from a nearby window, vent, fan, or loose furnace panel can also blow out the flame. Sometimes the gas control valve, gas pressure, or fuel supply has a problem, especially if other gas appliances are not working. A useful clue is the color and shape of the flame. A healthy flame is usually steady and mostly blue, while a weak yellow flame may point to dirt or poor air mixing. Turn off the furnace before cleaning around it and never use a pin or sharp object to enlarge the pilot opening. If the pilot repeatedly goes out, stop relighting it and have a qualified heating technician inspect the furnace for gas leaks, blocked vents, and faulty safety parts. One common mistake is repeatedly relighting a pilot that will not stay on, so stop and arrange an inspection instead. Another misconception is blaming the thermocouple every time, because a dirty pilot opening or draft can create the same symptom. So check the full pattern rather than replacing parts by guesswork. Never ignore a yellow flame, soot, a strange odor, headache, or dizziness, because these can signal unsafe combustion or carbon monoxide, so leave the area and contact emergency services or a qualified technician. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.